Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be calling some people for them to tell their story. Ariana, pause that. Stop the fan. I'm gonna be calling some people for them to tell their story. For some reason the live was stuck in. The live was giving me a lot of trouble. So the live won't be the live will not be, put it back in the kitchen. The live will not be where we're gonna be telling the story. But right now I'm gonna call a few persons that said that they want to tell their story and let them tell the story, because I was trying to do it on live but it wasn't working, so I'm just gonna do a normal video. Hi, good evening.
Oh, I pray.
Yeah, me there. Y'all hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Alright, so you can go ahead and tell us like what the story is about, and you can just jump straight into it.
Any story, right?
Yeah man, any story, a story time.
Alright, so the story time here is about first time smoking weed.
Yeah?
That too, no one fear that story there, or no one fear how I lose my virginity.
You choose. You choose. Any of them is okay. You choose. You choose.
Alright, so I'll go with the weed one then. Alright, so but if on live, right?
No, we're not on the live. I'm doing a video instead because the live is stuck in and the people must have them not here, but this are here, so you can go ahead, just talk.
Alright. Alright, so first time smoking. First of all, I have to explain the type of person maybe. Like, you know, like school days, like high school.
Yeah.
You know, yo, we like well neat and everything, and I got through. But at that time, I wasn't a smoker. Started smoking when I was high school.
Oh, so you start smoke when you leave high school?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I believe at the work, or me in a stress me out more weed.
And what type of work was that?
One company named Rada.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Rada company, the agricultural company.
Oh, because I was wondering what that was, but I was going to ask.
Yeah, most people don't know.
Yeah, most people, the Rada people, is an agricultural company. All right, Cap, we're there.
Yeah. So, when I work there, what I do is like file dockets, input information into the company system.
Oh.
Rearrange. Them have one big office shit when them anything come in and come out, them document it, and me would have to rearrange it.
Okay.
So that alone stress me, because I would have time and effort and everything.
It's a lot, yeah. It takes a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot for real. Alright, so get into the story. So basically now, was living in Ochi at that time when we worked for Rada.
So big up the Ochi people them? Yeah?
Yeah, big up Ochi people them.
Yeah.
I go Fern Court High in St. Anne. Yeah, school name Fern Court High, very like we have like St. George's in Kingston and Jamaica College and everything there in Kingston.
Yeah.
Up there you have Yard Castle, you have Fern Court High, and you have Ochi High. Ochi
High, okay.
So them three schools was like the top school.
The top school.
So I basically go Fern Court High, and why may I talk about Fern Court High?
I don't know. If you want to give them a little, if you want to tell them a little, you know you can mix it up, because we are telling a story, but you know you give them a little background, so that's okay. So guys, if you used to go Fern Court High, right?
Alright, so the reason why I want them to get to know me, like I really want like your fans them to get to know my fans them, because I have a YouTube channel too, you know.
Okay, what's the channel?
Amar and Shani is a couple channel.
Okay. So him and him girlfriend have a couples channel, guys.
I have one little daughter.
Yeah.
Together.
And they have a daughter.
Yeah. So you can follow her on her Instagram page. Alright, so I get into my story now.
Yeah, get into your story.
So when I come in I town now, remember when I go there at St. Ann, I just peer studies and sports, I do. I used to run for like my school, like I champs and them little thing there. But when I come in I town now, I broke out.
Oh,
You see me? Broke out, man, peer sexy girl me I see.
Yeah.
Country na real. You see the country girl them now, country girl them more indoors.
Yeah,
They
true.
come out, you know. Them come out, they barely.
But hardly, yeah, it's true.
Yeah, but you see town, every step you see girl
It's true.
looking good. You have mixture, you see me? So, books now and I start to do like a shopping at the town and thing, buy clothes and things. Tell me how to pick
So you
up
start
bleaching.
hot up.
Yeah, and I used to like show me have money them time there. Used to have bleach and them little thing them. Well white. You see me? If you go on my Facebook page, you may have some pictures. Sure, say yo, I never take them down, so them still up there now. Well white out. Anyways, then I told now, they on my mother veranda. You have on third veranda where you can just go outside like a small balcony. So I sit down there so now and see one of my neighbor, one named Mikey. Him said weed, so the dog I pass on about him film one product him a smoke.
Yeah, my
so
sampling thing.
Something smell good, you know, man.
Yeah.
It's like you smell one new cologne. It just weed.
Yeah, it just smell, yeah.
It stands out, you see me? Some go some books now and say yo. I don't want to do it as a practice, but I know some used to burn like some little cigarette when I go dance in a country area. So when I come in I town now, start burn, try out the weed thing. You see me? So the weed it tastes better, more way upgradable than the cigarette thing. So I start to love weed.
Oh.
So the first time I smoke it now, Mike, the same man I tell you now, pass me with the scent and the weed them I smoke. I'm saying, so I'm going to buy $1 bag. Buy $1 bag and thing and not even know if I build it up, you know.
Yes, I was going to ask that if you knew how to make it. Because it kind of, you have complication. It complicates it, you know.
It complicated for people who just start, yes.
Yes, it's not really easy to build at all.
It's like a skill, basically. Just like how you got art and you know plumbing and everything things. It's a skill.
Yeah, it's not really easy.
Some people, when they put the weed in the whistler, it's come like them hand start shake and everything. Them things that used to happen to me.
Yeah, your hand used to shake?
Yeah.
So how did you solve that?
Yeah?
How you solve that? The shaking? How you solve it?
No, shake and I have nerve problem in the butt. It has shake because maybe my nervous or something.
Oh, so you did nervous, okay.
Because I don't want to weed for that way.
Yeah, I know, man. I know say that shit I want it that way, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So I start to take my time and wipe off my hand and try again until it finally build. It kind of look like one cigar when I done.
Yeah.
A fat cigar there.
Yeah.
Alright, so burn it anyways and things, still I get the same effect.
Stop.
Just like how a man build him nice, still nice and things. So I drink one dragon with it the night.
That was the first time?
Yeah, I drink one dragon with it first time.
Yeah.
Smoking. I drink one dragon, I buy one boom too. But I mostly drink dragon, so I just put the boom in the fridge and drink the dragon. So I'm outside now in my community there. And we're up on one corner. Go for 2 chairs and me and charge them they up there. I was down on the corner, you know, man.
Yeah.
And the weed, it just vibe, you know? One vibe just coming at me, you see me?
So question. The first time when you did smoke, did you pull it through your nose or you just puff it and push it out back through your mouth?
When I puff it, I push it out back through my mouth. Because I don't want to choke or nothing.
Okay, and you probably never know so you through your nose. Because in order to get the real high, you know, it don't go through your mouth and you have to go through your nose.
Nose, yeah.
Exactly.
So I used to to puff it through my mouth because I just start, I don't want to push it through my nose and it
frost you, mad you. Yeah. A lot of persons have that scare.
You see weed now, you see weed cannot mad you know.
It can't?
The weed,
oh.
I just put that out. Only but smoker out there right now who deal with weed. You see weed, you see in order for a person to get mad like them madman there you see I walk up and down. Because you hear say a little tail and them little thing there. Yeah, the person put something in them weed or themselves put something in them weed for mad them.
Oh, okay.
When me burn weed right now, straight idols play with my raw with plus my little cigarette sprinkling, you see me? Best thing that would if me have gum I put it in the same way.
So you were you were telling us that when you puff it you were putting it through your mouth. That's where you did reach in the story.
That's my first puff that. Puff it and push it through my mouth. You see when I get into a spliff now like reach halfway, I push it through my nose.
Oh.
I get enough smoke in my body to start me off. So I push it through my nose now. And it give me a vibe, you see me? Like, I actually look up in the sky and see the moon close to me. I'm going to say, Bumbo Clot, I walk on.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, Mikey, where you putting another weed here? Everybody look for me and I laugh. Yeah, I say, yo, it's shocking because one of my brethren them I tell them, I say, yo, I frost already. Say, brother, I'm not frost, but look up in the sky, the moon near, brother.
Yeah.
And literally, I tell the truth, you know.
Yeah. Because you are see the moon. Them not see it, you know, because them not have your eye, but you are see it.
Yeah, so I say the moon so close to me. I say, yo, the first time I get frost is the nicest time because I feel so, it's just like having sex to blood clot.
Yeah.
You feel nice, like you feel relaxing. You see me? You feel comfortable, especially if you're having like bathing stuff around you. Yeah, you alone in your bed, just lay down.
Just like, you know what that means there.
Just knock out. The night them you just knock out. But like from that day, I try to quit smoking, but it
can't stop, yeah.
Stop. Want to stop and can't stop.
You soon stop, man, or yourself. Alright, so I guess that is his first experience of smoking, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe when you don't know what to do. Remember to check out his page. Tell him your page again.
Amar and Shani, AMMAR. That's my first name. And Shani, SHANNY.
Alright, guys. So remember to check out their page. Give them little support when you don't know how the thing go. Alright, Amar, thanks so much for your story.
I have plans to put one story time for my channel. I have plans to do the video today. But tomorrow I'm going to do the video and I'm going to put one story time telling how I lose my virginity. I think that sounds interesting, though.
Yeah, man, it sounds interesting, so you can do it.
Yeah, man, so I'm going to do it.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so here he's going to talk his virginity story on his page, so you guys can check it out. Thank you so much, my love. Have a good day.
Alright, same to you. Big up, everybody.
Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so that was Amar's story. I hope you guys check out his channel. And you don't know how the thing go. Remember, give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and hear my arm eerie. And I don't know, I'm gonna get them ugly bump spot there from. That is the reason why I don't like using shaver. I don't like using it because it leaves me with some like an ugly bump. Plus the little tiny hair them I grow back, so that's why it's obvious. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Okay. I know it came. I don't know why it looks so though. Give this video a thumbs up. I don't know some love.